Okay, the next game, again, this is for Let's Go 3. We're practicing adverbs of frequency, so we're going to be practicing always, usually, sometimes, never. And for this game, what we need to do, first of all, we take our cards. We have always, and usually, sometimes, never, and we need to place them around the room. So let's just quickly do that now. Okay, so ordinarily I would have the cards on the 4 different walls of the room because we want to have the kids moving around the classroom. And then simply you ask, do you ever questions? So for example, to start with, it's always easiest to ask never and always questions. Ask something particularly obvious. So for example, do you ever brush your teeth in the morning? And of course, most kids will say, yes, I always brush my teeth in the morning. So if their answer is always, of course, they come to the always square. And for example, you can ask a never question, do you ever drink beer? No, I never drink beer, and then they come here. So if we start off with always and never, and then after you can move on to usually and sometimes. And when you're doing this, you can of course use the cards that come with the book. So for example, with take a bus, you can change it to do you ever take a bus to school? Or for example, do you ever take a train to Tokyo? Do you ever take a taxi to your grandmother's house? Do you ever take a subway to Osaka? Anything you like, but the key here is that when kids are moving around a classroom, they stay interested in an activity for much longer than if they were just answering the same questions sitting at the table. And so be as inventive as you can with your questions, and of course make sure you let the kids have a go at asking the questions as well. Thank you.